The reason I find this interesting is I've been here before with one of those. Huh?
Am I that pretty? You just gotta film everything I do?
Well, you're interesting. People pay money to watch what you're up to.
How much money have you made on me so far?
Nothing.
Exactly.
and they didn't even need to pay anything to me to watch what you're doing.
Wait, let me demonstrate first.
Okay, yeah.
How to tie an extension cord.
I showed Parker that when he power polished the boat too.
Now you can drag this thing wherever you want.
And it won't come apart?
Well, it might.
Did it come with a pad? That's pad? That's not the pad. Oh yeah, that goes on top of that.
There's socks.
Little socks. Polishing socks.
So I can reuse these things.
You can wash it with your socks.
Wash these socks with my socks. I'd end up with crusty socks.
Are you supposed to plug it in before you start applying the sock?
I don't think it matters.
Okay.
I'm a professional, so it won't turn on while I'm using it.
Your crotch isn't going to accidentally activate.
Well, it's a good thing it's just an orbital polisher, so it doesn't go that fast.
Yeah. That's
The sock, though, is
problematic.
made for a baby one.
Little baby booty.
Baby booties.
Yeah. Ooh, it's getting tight now.
There we go. That's a fit.
It is a tight fit.
Yeah.
Looks like a jersey knit t-shirt. All right, now what's the compound you got?
The compound we're using is a Simonist, paired with Simonist.
It's not Simonized?
Simonized.
I always called it Simonized.
Whatever you want to call it.
Paint restoration compound. Wow, pro strength formula.
So remove severe oxidization. Oxidation. Sorry, I've been saying that wrong my entire life. And surface scratches, which we have many.
And there's my kids taking the dog for a walk.
But this heat's going to really soften up this compound.
Yeah, it is. You're supposed to do it in the shade. Mind you, this is the shaded side, I guess.
Boat is shade.
Alright. The reason I find this interesting is I've been here before with one of those. I'll see if you get farther than I got.
Well, compound should be doing all the work for me. So I don't think I'm going to be able to...
So the thing with that Orbital Polisher is they got a very low stall speed, so you can't push hard. If you push, it stops doing its thing. So it'll take a long time, yeah. It's not impossible to get what you're after. It's just, are you pushing on it at all right now?
I've got about maybe 15 pounds pressure.
And if you push harder, what happens? Your arms vibrate and
it just transfers its unhappiness through to my arms. It's hard to tell what this color was supposed to be, though.
you should probably have your hair in a ponytail so you don't accidentally get a caught in that thing. Do you want some water? Or is that supposed to be put on dry?
Well, I don't think the water's going to help me much with this situation. See, we're making a mess.
Are we? Like a progress kind of mess?
Let's see what this purple's going to do for us. That's really what I care about the most.
So you've been going for 6 minutes so
job.
far. And you're halfway there?
Mostly.
Halfway there on one 8-inch section.
Yeah. That one spot looks pretty good.
Right there. So how many 8-inch sections do you think you got on this thing?
Considering this is about
Oh.
5 inches already.
Uh-huh.
Probably a lot.
So sometime tonight you'll be finished?
Get some water assist going on
I think
it. Not gonna cut much with that, but I can maybe try and clean.
you're probably not getting enough heat. That compound needs to generate heat to cut through. At home, I got a power polisher. Because I didn't know, actually I totally forgot this is what your boat looked like.
Totally forgot.
Yeah. Well, because I don't really look at it as much as you probably think I should. But that top is gonna be, it looks great when it's wet. That's how you can tell what it could look like. Once it's been polished properly.
Should have told you to go away and then just come back after I wetted the whole boat.
Yeah, look how fast that worked.
There's some hot water in that hose though.
That's good. You're doing the top now?
Let's see. On a new spot, how much the water's gonna make a difference for me.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah. So because this is called a dual action, that means you can actually push on it and it'll still keep going. The non-dual action ones would stall.
Yeah, I've got one of those as well.
And as soon as you touch it, it's like, oh, I'm gonna stop now.
So at least if I really put my elbow grease in it, I can create some friction.
Yes, which is what you need.
Still might not be enough.
Looks like
My rub rail's gonna look real polished though.
it looks like it's might be getting in there. Might be just fooling you.
I'd be just putting polish over top of it, which probably wouldn't be the worst thing either. The good thing is I'm starting to smell some gel coat.
Yeah?
You don't smell it?
Not really, but I think you are getting some cutting happening. You need a rag. Did you get a rag?
No.
Because once you get that done, you're going to need to, you want to go until it's pretty much gone, and then you just buff with a dry rag. How's your abs feel?
How's my abs feel?
You know, using your abs to tighten up and push it on there?
Well, it's almost at that point.
Where you can wipe it with a dry rag. Is that getting hot? You got no heat at all. So that'll look okay for a little bit, but it still has the white underneath. So it'll come back faster than if you did like a full cut on it where it like gets through all that and takes it off. The oxidization.
Yeah, if she was all cut polished, it wouldn't be so bad. We'd still be purple, so maroon, not even purple. Yeah.
We're gonna do it right here.